Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today in my lecture series we are just going to see about the IoT levels in the subject Internet of Things. Let us see. First of all, an IoT system mainly comprises of the following components that are devices, resources, controller service, database, web-based analysis component, and applications. Let us see all in detail. First of all, a device, in which a device is an IoT device that allows identification. It is used for remote sensing. It is also used to access actuating and remote monitoring capabilities, so that we are just using all these IoT devices. Next, coming to the resources. Resources are mainly they are the software components of an IoT for accessing, processing, and storing sensor information or controlling actuators connected to the devices. Next is controller services. Controller services is a native service that runs on the device and interact with the web services. Next comes the database. Database here is mainly it can be either local or in the cloud store to the data generated by the IoT devices. Then coming to the web-based services. Web services serves a link between the IoT device and applications in which the database and analysis components are there. Next is your analysis component. In the case of analysis component, the analysis component is responsible for analyzing the IoT data and generating results in the form of which are easy for the users to understand. Next comes the application. In this case, IoT applications, it mainly provides an interface that the user can use to the controller and monitor the various aspects of the IoT system. Now let us see what are all the IoT levels. This is a level 1 in which the system it has a single node on devices that performs for sensing or an actuators that stores data. In which level 2 it is mainly suitable for modeling low cost, low complexity solutions where data involves is not big and analysis required here. Here the examples are home automation and AC or light is an example for this. Next, level 2. In the level 2, it is mainly it has a single node that performs sensing, then actuating a local analysis. In this, it suits for solution where the data involved is big. However, the primary analysis requirement is not computationally intensive and can be done locally itself. Here the examples are smart irrigation system. Next, we are just going to see the level 3. In the case of level 3, here the IoT system, it has a single node. Here the data stored and analysis in the cloud and the application is cloud-based one. Whereas these level 3 are suitable for solutions where the data involving is big and the analysis requirements are computationally intensive. Here the examples are tracking, package, handling. Next comes the level 4. In this case, level 4 IoT system has multiple nodes that performs local analysis. That is, data is stored in the cloud and application is cloud-based. Here in the level 4, it contains local and cloud-based observer nodes which can subscribe to or receive information collected in the cloud. Here the examples of this is noise monitoring is a main example for this. Next coming to the in the next node, here the level 6, it mainly has multiple independent end nodes that performs sensing and actuation and sends data to the cloud. Here the data is stored in the cloud and application is cloud based. The analytics components analyzes the data and it stores the result in the cloud database. Here, the example, the results finally are visualized with the cloud-based application. The centralized controller is aware of the status of all the end nodes, sends control commands to the nodes. Here, the examples for this is weather monitoring is a main example. Thank you.